Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression. If you are genius, then stop the video and before watching the video comment of this question. But if you are a student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve, then I can solve in this video. So if you are new in my channel, then kindly subscribe my channel for more videos. So firstly, 5 divided by 1 upon 5 times 5, we can know about KCF, where K stand for keep, C stand for change, F stand for flip. Okay guys, I can write this fraction as 5 times 5 times 5. Now here I can solve this from left to right. So 5 times 5, which is equal to 25 times 5. 25 times 5, which is equal to 125. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe my channel for more this type of math questions.